In this video, I'll go over how to apply a strike-through to your cell in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty. I make quick tips and tutorials on how to use Calc software. So to begin, I'll just type in some sample text. To begin, I'll just enter some sample text. Then to apply the strikeout, all we have to do is go to the Format Cells wizard. I can right click on my cell and choose Format Cells. Then make sure we go to the Font Effects tab. And here under the text decoration area, we have a drop down for strike-through. There are several options that we can pick. The first one is single, and we see an example of that effect applied to my text in the bottom text area. For double strike-through, it has two lines across it. For bold, the same as the single, but bold with a thicker line. This option is with a forward slash, and it's basically many forward slashes applied within all the characters within the cell. And lastly, we have with X. And this is hard to read, but maybe that's by design. So it overlays my sentence with X's across it. I'll go back and I'll just pick the bold. I'll click on OK, and now it has been applied to my cell. Now if you want to apply the strike-through effect to a range of cells, just make sure to select wherever it is on your sheet and then go back into Format Cells and repeat the same steps. That's it for this video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn, feel free to put them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay nifty.